Here at Simply Garden, with over 50 years of gardening experience, I believe in keeping things simple and productive while gardening in your own backyard. Good afternoon, everybody. Can you say hi, Hunter? Hi. Are we getting in the view okay like this? Is that good?
Yes.
All right, and here's Hunter's mommy, Jen, who loves to do cooking with us, doesn't she, huh? Well, guess what? We're going to put down some winter ryegrass seed. You know what that is? Let me show you, okay? I'm going to go over and show you what winter ryegrass seed is. Because here's what we do. When the garden gets all done, we have to put this special seed down. Okay, here, come over here, take a look, right here, right here. Okay, you can put your hands in it, it feels really good. Oh, look at that, huh? It grows up to green grass, which helps the garden do better. Yeah, you can put your hands in there, go ahead, it doesn't hurt. Look, see? Doesn't that feel neat, huh? Isn't that cool? Good, dig in there. Yep. So we're gonna show the people how we do this, okay? So first, you know what we have to do?
Oh, too much.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, first we're gonna show them how we clean up the garden beds, okay? That little bit there? Okay. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna show them how we edge the beds really nice. You see how that bed looks nice like that? It didn't look like that before, did it? Nope, because we took the shovel and went like this along the edge, see? And we kind of push like this. Do you like to scoop? Why don't you come help me? Okay, I'll push the shovel. There we go, up it goes. See, we kind of spread that out. We kind of went, whoa, did that something hurt the shovel a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know what. So we kind of edge it like this, see, along like this. Now I gotta be a little careful, I just had a spinal tap yesterday, so I can't be pushing too hard, but hey, the show must go on, right?
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, you get the idea? Just kind of push like that.
Hunter, do you want to try?
Want to try?
Can you take the shovel? Oh, here, let me see your...
There we go, drop them in there.
That's what hurt. Okay.
There you go, okay, come on in
Rub
here.
your hands. Go ahead.
Good, take a try. Give it a good push. Oh, wait a second, get my foot up there. Sometimes the grass gets in the way, but the reason why I do this, Carter, is to keep the grass from growing back in the garden. Okay, see? Look at that. We just push it up there, okay? Okay, give it a good push again. There we go.
Good job, Hunter.
So we do that all along the whole perimeter of the garden bed. Put it up like that, see?
And you do this to all the beds?
All the beds. Except for the strawberries. Because the strawberries only, I'll probably twice or 3 times I'll go along the edge of the strawberry beds sometime in the summer, just get the grass out of the way.
Oh, come down here, Hunter.
All right, so now,
You do the next step.
this is how it looks when it's done. See over here?
Ta-da.
It's all nice and clean in the ends.
Ta-da.
So I just basically throw the dirt up there. Now sometimes I get compost. You know what compost is, Carter? I mean, Hunter? It's leftover garden parts that goes in that little bin over there, see? And then yeah, there's a pumpkin, there's an owl, yes, there's an owl there. That's our friendly little owl to keep away the other birds. So anyways, we'll continue doing this now. Guess what we do next, Hunter? No, it's a fake owl. So here we go. So here's the next thing we do. We're going to take some of this.
This is called what?
Ooh, this is called lime. What lime does, it helps the soil get nice and sweet. Now in the gardening, that means it'll absorb the nutrients better.
Wait.
So we're going to take this, and we're going to go like this, see? Okay.
You want to try?
Okay. Just kind of shake it like that. You can't do too much. It's okay.
Look at you.
All right, you do that there. I'm going to do the other side, okay?
Wow. Dad, look at him.
You got the idea, Hunter.
Keep going down.
It's snow. That's what your Nana said.
Your mommy?
Nana goes, let it snow, let it snow. It's like snow. But this helps the soil, the plants absorb the nutrients better. You know what nutrients are, Hunter?
Like vitamins.
Like vitamins for the plants to help them grow big and strong. That's right, Jen, thank you.
That's right, you make it sound like I've never done this.
You sure have, you did it plenty of times.
I've helped you many times.
Yes, you have. Want some more? You can do some more. There we go, get some more in there. Beautiful. Yeah, you can go do the next bed if you want over there, okay? I'm going to do some, now you can even do a little bit on top of existing plants. It's not going to hurt. It washes right off. You don't want to go too crazy because you don't want to burn your plants, but because these guys won't be here all winter long. Beautiful. So the next thing we want to do, we want to get some fertilizer. Good job, Hunter. You got the hang. See? So next, I throw a little bit of fertilizer down. This is organic. No, this is gardens. This is from. You're doing a beautiful job, Hunter. Look at him go out there. You got the idea. So we'll continue working on that while we put in some organic garden tone. This helps actually as the winter ryegrass seed grows. It'll help give them a good kick. And then what the idea of the winter ryegrass seed is, it's a green manure crop. So as this guy goes on, the winter ryegrass becomes a cover crop, come spring, we'll turn underneath, and then it rots and becomes nutrients to the soil again. Kind of keeps a nice cycle going there. Oh, you've got it down pat. Oh my goodness. You are a quick learner, Hunter. Want some more? We have more over here. Come on. Here we go. We got a whole bunch in here, okay? Let me get it out of this container here. Here, dump it over here. Here we go. There we go. Okay. Whoops. That's all right. Okay. You got it?
Yep.
Now go over there and shake it around. Good boy.
Over here?
No, over the other one. No.
Over here, sweetie.
Over the other bed. Okay. While you do that, I'm going to continue put more fertilizer down over there too, okay? Alrighty. Doesn't have to be perfect. That's right. That's the key thing about having children helping in the garden, is because you know what? These times of life go quick, and it's only a short time that they're young enough where they can have fun doing these little things like that. They are easy to do. Right, Hunter? Right. That's right. Before you know it, they're like your mummy size. Right? She's still gardens, right, dear? Absolutely. This is the fun stuff, though. This is the fun, easy stuff. And what's cool is, then all of a sudden, one day you look out, you see this reddish color coming up as their seeds are germinating, and then it turns nice green carpet. And actually, in the winter time, it keeps growing.
Crazy.
As you get the midwinter thaws in January, it'll start growing again.
You're doing great.
You do have to keep it up. Nope. That's your spot to dig there? You do dig over there, don't you? That's okay.
You have a spot, don't you, pal?
He knows.
Wow, you've done amazing. Okay, that's good. Let's keep it up.
There we go. Oh, yeah. Marvelous. Well, job well done. Okay, now the next part.
We'll finish this bed later.
Now the next part we're going to do, we're going to put down the winter ryegrass seed. This is like feeding the chickens, okay? So I'm going to give you a container. Fill it up. Dig it, go and scoop it in. Hope you all can see this. And it's hard from a GoPro headset. Dig it. Yep, dig it up. Okay, your mommy can help you sprinkle this all out on here, okay? Just take your hands.
Take your hand. Nope, take your hand.
Like this. Watch.
Yes, watch like we're feeding the chickens.
See, like this. And you can go pretty thick. Yep. You can go pretty thick on this because this is last year's seed, so germination is going to be the best. So go thick.
Push it. Like.
Yep, pretty thick. I'll use actually a container and a half for this section.
Okay.
There we go.
So if it wasn't last year,
I'd go thinner, yeah.
so
Yeah.
what? One container for.
Yeah, one container per bed, pretty much, exactly. I buy these by the whole bag. It's 50 pounds. It's cheaper that way. Otherwise, they charge like 70 cents a pound. I buy a whole bag for like 25 bucks for 55 pounds, and it does come out fine. It's a cheap way of doing it. For 25 bucks, I'm getting cheap fertilizer. You got the idea. That works too, Hunter. Okay, let's do the next one behind us.
Well, this one needs more lime.
Yeah, I'll get some more, yeah. Ready? Get another one?
No more.
Yeah, more, yep. Go get another bucket full there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more beds to do. There's about 10 scoops in there, right? There's about 10 scoops in there?
I think you should be good.
Yep, awesome.
You go ahead.
And then what's left over? I feed the birds. They'll eat it. 'Cause I don't want to keep it for next year. I may not. Next year may be a little bit too old.
Got it.
So we'll keep for 2 years.
Nope, we're gonna take a handful out. It's too tall right now to eat that.
There we go. You got the idea. There we go. Yeah, do it up there. Sprinkle it out. Throw it out there. Back.
Like that.
You
Try to
got
put
it.
on the bed, okay?
Yeah. Beautiful. Look at this, huh? People are going to be so happy to see you teaching them how to put winter ryegrass seed down, Hunter. You know that? In fact, maybe people will buy some and do it for their garden. I'll let you know if people make comments about you doing it, Hunter, and they'll say, we're going to try that. In fact, we need to get it out pretty soon. This is zone 5, so we'll get this video up right away so people can see what has to be done this time of year. Yeah, get some more. Go bring us. We need some more up here, Hunter. Up over in that corner, right there. Okay, right in there. Yeah, right up in that's all right. There we go.
Go ahead. Good job. You're
All right.
Go around. Go
You
around
go
the
ahead.
corner.
Oh yeah, need some more over here. Oh, right in here. Right in here. So then the next thing we're gonna do, we just rake it in real simple. Simply garden. Keep it simple, right? Okay, we do have a rake somewhere out here. Rake. Maybe it's over here. Yeah, I see it. There we go. Alrighty. Okay. Now, Hunter, we're gonna rake it in. That's good. You help me rake it in? Yeah, take some peppers, please do.
Lovely.
Yeah. Yeah, come on. Oh, that's fertilizer. Come on over here, honey. Let's rake this in now, okay?
No, you can't do that, honey.
That's fertilizer.
Papa's to do, okay?
Okay, yep.
Even mommy didn't do that part, okay? Help Papa. Help Papa.
Come on over here. And then you will get some grass coming up because some of the grass wasn't totally pulled up. I just push off the side and that will go into the compost bin.
Hunter.
There we go.
Don't touch the fertilizer.
Oh.
You know it's natural. You don't want to.
Here we go.
You gonna help Papa rake?
No.
No? Okay. Look at that. See how easy that is? Look at that.
What's in there is
More seed. We have more, Hunter. Let's get this part done first, okay? Thank you. Back and forth. That's right. You got it right. Okay. Well, Jen, another year wrapping up, but you know what though? We got a lot more videos to show. A lot more things come up. And what's planned for the garden to the table?
Apple turnovers.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, like a recipe that you can make them ahead of time, put them in your freezer, and cook them when you need them.
Oh,
So
really?
those are
Okay. So we're going to kind of do a pre-prep type of thing.
We
And
are going to show you start to finish exactly how to do it. Perfect for harvest.
wonderful. When's that going to happen? Next week? Be up at next week?
Tuesday. It'll be up probably Wednesday. We're going to do it on
Okay.
Tuesday, and it will be on Wednesday.
All right. Super. Well, Hunter, you have done a great job. I think that people have a good idea how to do this now. Since you taught them how to plant winter ryegrass seed. You're going to say goodbye, everybody, Hunter?
Bye.
Bye. Make sure they subscribe, right?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's okay. The plants can handle it. All right. Have all a good night, everybody. Bye.
And do another video over there.
Okay, we'll do some more. All right. Bye.